Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on natural gas prices on November 15th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $2.719. And at this very point, my main assumption was that potentially we've completed the ABC correction to the downside right after we've completed this movement of 5 waves. And with this range of support of about $2.7, from this range of support, we could retest this sloping line as range of resistance and this previous swing high. And if it breaks it, we might see higher price targets and we might retest even previous swing highs. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, we had a perfect bounce out of this $2.7 mark. Then guys, take a look right here. We retested the first range, first sloping line as the range of resistance, bounced back, and here we had quite indicative candle. It is the hammer candle. Then we broke this range of resistance to the upside, then retested from the top as the range of support and went higher. Guys, as you can see, we retested this basically $3 mark again as the range of resistance and broke it with an increase in volume. This is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account. And for now, guys, I have a Black Friday sale, and for $17.5 for the first month, you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. And guys, don't forget that right after this sale is over, your price will be still $35, but for new subscribers, the price will be higher. So I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And let's take a look at its price action again. Let's zoom out and let me show you that we broke and in my previous video, I showed you that we have several ranges of resistance. First one was at $3 mark. Next one is previous swing high at $3.155. And we also broke it to the upside. And the next range is right here, guys. We are scratching this range right now. Let me remove all the tools for now. And we are nearing to this range of about $3.38. And when and if this asset breaks this range, we will be even more bullish, and definitely it is a very good bullish sign. But let's take a look at the fundamentals. What was the reason of this movement? And let me show you this update. We are on tradingeconomics.com, and let me quote you this in details. US natural gas futures rose more than 6% to almost $3.2 per MMBTU, the highest since June 11th, as a colder weather at the end of November is expected to boost heating demand. According to the most recent short-term forecast, 6 to 14 days, from the NOAA, colder than usual temperatures are anticipated to extend from the west coast across most of the nation, excluding the Gulf Coast and East Coast. At the same time, the supply of feed gas to US LNG export terminals has risen to 14.07 billion cubic feet per day, marking its peak since January 2024, and compared to last week's average of 13.5 billion cubic feet per day. Moreover, export volumes to Mexico are currently projected at 6.6 billion cubic feet per day, underscoring robust demand from the region. At the same time, production has slightly decreased, with an average output in the lower 48 states fallen to 100.6 BCFD from 101.3 BCFD in October. So guys, we have a set of quite bullish updates, quite bullish news, lower supply with a higher demand, and it is obvious that natural gas prices are moving higher and higher. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to admit that this formation, this triangle works perfectly well, and potentially we have an ABCDE correction, and definitely it is not the best outcome in this on the grand scheme of thing, but if it is the reality, we have a perfect contender to be an E wave right here at this bottom, because E wave usually has an underthrow to hit this range of support or overthrow, and then we have to have a breakout, and potentially this breakout just happened, and let me show you that if this is just the first wave to the upside, if this is the retracement of the first wave, we are in the third wave on a smaller scale, and where we might land. Guys, I have to admit that it is quite difficult to assume with the standard tools how high this asset might go, but let's try. And to do so, first of all, let me delete unnecessary tools. We've already worked with them and we don't need them anymore. So if I pull the Fib extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement, as you can see, we are scratching 0.786, and definitely it will not be the top of our third wave, at least at this formation. We have to hit 1.618 extension at around $4 mark, and guys, this $4 is a very high price target, and I have a lot of doubts that we will hit it without the retracement. That is why let's take a look on indicators. What do we have on a daily time frame? We are extremely bullish on daily time frame, but what do we have on a smaller time frames? Again, we have quite bullish RSI, and as you can see, according to MACD indicator, we are still quite bullish, but we have a curvature, and potentially this might indicate that we are starting to lose some momentum. On top of that, 3 hours time frame, quite similar picture with quite high RSI, but guys, we don't have bearish divergence yet on 3 and 4 hours time frames. Let's take a look on 2 hours time frame. Again, we are still bullish. Hourly time frame, we are quite bullish again. But guys, don't be confused. This RSI should be unloaded in the short-term perspective in order to form this type of pattern. Let me show you like this. We might have this type of pattern, and then we will form lower highs on our side, but at the same time, guys, the price should go somewhere like this. We have to form higher highs on the price action, and then right after this formation is done, we will have a major retracement that will unload the entire structure from this $2.692 all the way up. And guys, for now, I think the range of resistance might be somewhere at 3.525, or let's take a look on its previous swing highs. What do we have? This level is broken. Next one is this one, 3.368. Well, quite wait a second, I don't need this tool. Quite decent range of resistance, and next one will be this 3.5 and this 3.66. This means, guys, definitely with some obstacles we might and have to break these two ranges, and then we will have a retracement in order to unload the structure, and potentially only right after that we will hit the $4 mark. But keep in mind, guys, that we have a contract switch that will happen within next 5 days, and this contract switch retrospectively had quite a substantial reaction to the price, and we might see the contract switch to lower or higher prices, and this means this reaction might hit within a blink of an eye $4 mark. So, and I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up.